Hi, once again with a new video. I'm Viraj and this is my YouTube channel Maths by Viraj. Today in this video I'm going to teach you all how to factorize not quadratic equations but the simple factorizing methods. Prior to this video I have done two videos under LCM and HCF, that is the lessons are lowest common multiple and highest common factor. Those two lessons you can find the links in the description below. Also, please go to those videos if you do not understand the basic principles of factorizing. Also, don't forget, subscribe Match by Viraj and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Also, share this among your friends. Children, to begin off factorizing, I have chosen two integers, whole numbers, and in this we require to find the factors of given particular numbers. If you find it difficult, you can always go to the link over here, and on the LCM you can see that particular video. Fine. For 6 we are going to find the factors. We start dividing with the smallest possible prime number, 3, 1, and the factors of 6 are 2 into 3 into 1. Similarly, we do the same for 9, 3, 3, 3 and 1. Therefore, 9 is 3 into 3 into 1. Now, by the method of HCF, we use the method of HCF for the highest common factor. And again, the video on the highest common factor is in the link over here. You can go and see. You find a number that is common, therefore the highest common factor is 3. So what is remaining here is 2 into 1, 2, and 3 into 1, 3. Therefore, I can factorize 6 and 9 by taking 3 out, and instead of 6, now I have 2, and instead of 9, I have 3. Therefore, this is my answer. In the similar way, for 10, you find factors 2, 5, 1, 4, 2, 2, 1. Therefore, for 10, the factors are 2 into 5 into 1. For 4, the factors are 2 into 1. You circle the common term 2. What is left behind is 5. 2 into 1 is 2. Therefore, in brackets you can write 5 minus 2. Children, let's look at two more expressions. Factorize. Now we have 6x plus 18 and 14x squared minus 21y squared x. So basically we are going to follow the same method as the previous sums. We are going to find the factors. First we divide by 2, 3x. Then we divide by 3, x. We divide by x1. Therefore 6x can be written as 2 into 3 into x into 1. Similarly, for 18, you find the factors. Divide by 2, 9. Divide by 3, 3, 3 and 1. Therefore, the factors of 9 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. Now, you can see that there are two numbers which are common. Therefore, what is left here when the common numbers are taken away? X into 1, that is x. Here, 3 into 1, that is 3. Therefore, as the highest common factor, the common terms that we take out are 2 into 3, which is 6. So, what is taken out as the common term is what we write at in the front of the brackets. So, inside brackets, what we have instead of 6x, now 6 is taken out. What is remaining? X. From 18, 6 is taken out. Look at this. 18 is plus. So, you have plus here. And when 18 is divided by 6, it is 3. So what is remaining here, after we take the common term, we can put it inside the brackets. Similarly, 14x squared minus 21y squared x. You can find the factors of them. You divide by 2, 7x squared. Divide by 7x squared. Divide by x and divided by x1. Here you start dividing by 3, 7y squared x. You divide by 7, y squared x you divide by x, y squared you divide by y you divide by y 1. Therefore, 14x squared the factors are 2 into 7 into x into 1, and 21 y squared x the factors are 3 into 7 into x into y. So as usual we select the common ones, and what is left here is 2 into x into 1, which is 2x, 3 into y, which is 3y squared. So what is the HCF, or the highest common factor, or as the common terms? 7 into x, 7x. Therefore write 7x here, and inside bracket, instead of now 14x squared we have 2x, and instead of minus 21 y squared x, look at this, minus, so we put minus. Instead of 21 y squared x, when 7x is taken out, what's remaining is 3y squared. Children, irrespective of what the sign that we have, we will still have the same sign. There are times where we change the sign, and you can learn them at the end of the video. Children, let's look at a bit of a different sum. Okay, let's have it as minus here. Minus 3x squared minus 9x to the power 3. Fine. Now we do not take the signs into consideration when we are finding the factors. Therefore, 3x squared, the factors are as such. For 9x cubed, the factors are as such. Now you see that it's basic division that I am using here. So for 3x squared, the factors are 3 into x into 1. For 9x cube, it is 3 into x into 1. Children, you should remember that this one is really important when it comes to factorizing. Let's see why it is important. The common terms are 3, x and x. Now what is remaining here is 1. What is remaining here is 3 into x into 1, which is 3x. Therefore, as the highest common factor, I can take 3 into x out, which is 3x squared. Now, when I take 3x squared as the common term out, you see that this is minus and this is minus. Therefore, instead of minus 3x squared, what is left behind is 1. That is minus 1. Instead of minus 9x cubed, what do I have now? When I take 3x squared out, what is remaining inside is 3x, and this is minus. Therefore, it is minus 3x. Children, the sign can also be taken out and can be written as minus 3x squared times 1 plus 3x. This I will teach you all at the end of the lesson. Now, there are 3 expressions in the sum. Let's try to factorize this. 4y squared x, we start divided by 2, 2y squared x, start divided this by 2, y squared x, start divided this by x, y squared, y, and 1. Therefore, 4y squared x is 2 into x into y into 1. 8x y squared, you start dividing by 2, 2xy squared, 2xy squared, this is 4, 2xy squared, 2xy squared, x, y squared, y, and 1. Therefore, 8xy squared can be written as 2 into x into y into 1. Right. The other one, 20xy, start divided by 2, 10xy by 2, 5xy by 5, xy by x by y. Therefore, 20xy can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into x into y into 1. Therefore, let's select the common terms. The common term, one common term is 2, and there's another common term, another 2. X is common, as you all can see. Y is also common. Right. So what is remaining here as a common term is y into 1, which is y. Here 2 into y into 1, which is 2y. And here 5 into 1, which is 5. And as the highest common factor, what is taken out is 2 into 2 into x into y, which is 4xy. Once 4xy is taken out as a common term, what remains inside? Instead of 4y squared x, what is inside is y minus, instead of 8xy squared, when you take 4xy out, what is remaining inside is 2y, and plus when you take 4xy out, what is remaining inside from 20xy is 5. So it's pretty simple when you know your highest common factor method to factorize a given set of expressions. Right, children? Let's try to understand factorizing a bit deeply. Right. Now, the same example that I did previously, minus 3x squared minus 9x cubed. Now, when I factorize, I got this final answer. Right. Children, you should understand that I have taken 3x squared as the common term out, and what is remaining inside is minus 1 minus 3x, 5. Now, you should understand that when we come across the term, the common term, it is as if we are dividing whatever that is inside by the particular common term. Right. Let's say that it is 3x squared minus 9x cubed minus. This is a normal expression that we have. When we take 3x squared as the common term out, it is as if we are individually dividing each and every term by 3x squared. If minus 3x squared is divided by 3x squared, we know that the answer is minus 1. 9x cubed, when I divide by 3x squared, the answer is 9 into x into x into x divided by 3 into x into x. You cancel, cancel and cancel. What you have inside is 3x. Because of it is minus, you can have minus. So we take it out, which is 3x squared. It's when we take some value as a common term out, it is as if we divide everything by 3x squared and we take it out. Because when we re-multiply, we should end up getting this particular expression that we started off with. If I multiply 3x squared by minus 1, it is minus 3x squared. If I multiply 3x squared by minus 3x, it is going to be minus 9x cubed. Okay, having said that, what if I took minus term also out? Fine. 3x squared minus 1 minus 3x. Minus 1 can be written as minus 1 into 1. Minus 3x can be written as minus 1 into 3 into x. So here, if I take the minus 1 term out, if I take this minus 1 out, it will be like 3x squared times minus 1. Therefore, when you divide minus by minus, it is going to be plus. Therefore, when I take minus 1 out as a common term, what is remaining inside is 1. What is remaining inside is 3x, and that particular 3x is plus. Therefore, the value that you have as a common term is minus 3x squared times 1 plus 3x. Now, you should understand that both these answers are perfectly correct. But if you want to have plus terms inside the brackets, this is what you've got to do. Right, children? Let's look at another example. It's 2x minus 6. 2x, the factors are x 1 6 2 3 and 1. 2x can be written as 2 into x into 1. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into 1. Therefore, the common term or the HCF is 2. What's remaining is x into 1 is x. 3 into 1 is 3. Therefore, when we factorize, we get the factors 2 out. Inside, instead of 2x, we have x. Instead of 6, we have 3. In this case, it's minus 6. Therefore, we have minus 3. Fine. When I factorize this, it is as if I took 2 out, x minus 3. Fine. The working is as follows. It's as if I divided everything by minus 2 and multiplied it by 2. Children, when there is an expression given, you cannot change it. What we can do is we can change the variables and the numbers, the position of them, but we cannot add or remove anything from a given expression. Therefore, look at this. It's as if I have divided 2x by 2 and 6 by 2 and I have multiplied everything by 2. Further, I can explain it in this form. The term 2x minus 6, it is as if I have multiplied it by 2 and divided it by 2. By understanding both of them, what I have done, it's like this. What have I done? I have multiplied 2x minus 6 by 2 and I have divided 2x minus 6 by 2. It is as if I have done nothing to the expression, because the expression at the end remains the same. Therefore, this method is for easy understanding of factorizing. But this is what really happens, what we call behind the scenes. Right. So, if I divide it, what is happening? 2 times x minus 3. It is the same answer as such. Similarly, if I multiply this first, what am I getting? 4x minus 12. If I multiply this, I get 4x minus 12. Once again, if I divide it, what am I getting? Look at it. 4x is minus 12, again divided by 2. 4x over 2 minus 12 over 2. Answer is 2x minus 6. We ended at the point where we started off. So children, similarly here as well, 2x minus 6. Now you should have an understanding of how or what really factorizing is. Right children, let's try to reconsider the same expression, but there's a small difference. Here when we factorize, what we get is 2 times x minus 3. What if I took minus 2 out? If I took minus 2 out, the expression inside the bracket, it changes to minus x plus 3. That is, what was plus before has become minus, and what was minus has become plus. The reason behind is this: when you take the factors, we did not consider, when we took the factors, we did not consider the sign. What we considered was the common factor, we took it out, and what was remaining, we put it inside the brackets, depending on what the sign had. Now, if I remultiply this, what I would get is 2 into x plus 2 into minus 3, 2x minus 6. Now, if I take the common term to be minus 2, fine. X, I can write x as minus 1 into minus 1x. Now what I am doing is I am introducing a minus 1, because why? Minus into minus is plus. 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore for x, what I have is minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, plus 1 into x is x. Minus 3 I can write as minus 1 into 1 into 3. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, that into 3 is minus 1. Now look at this. Instead of minus 2, what I can write is, instead of 2, I can write 2. Instead of x, now I can write minus 1 into x. Instead of 3, I can minus 3, I can write minus 1 into 3. Now, if I rewrite this and find the HCF for them, minus 1 into x, x is minus 3 is minus 1 into 3. You take minus 1 as a common term, what is remaining inside is minus x, what is remaining inside is 3. Therefore, you take minus 1 as a common term out, minus x plus 3. Minus 1 multiplied by 2 is minus 2. Inside you get minus x plus 3. Now you see that what is plus 2 has become minus 2. What is x has become minus x. What is minus 3 has become plus 3. Here what we did was, what if we needed to take not 2 but minus 2 as the common term out. These instances we get under quadratic equations, that is when we want to factorize quadratic equations. So just to keep in mind, this working is not expected by children who do ordinary level to be writing them in the exams. This is some extra knowledge that you can have. Children, all the links of other videos under LCM, HCF and other basic algebra, you can find the links at the description below. Please subscribe Maths by Viraj and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Also, share these videos among your friends. See you in another video.